Hello and welcome. So the first light is here, and actually it's the 1st of January 2021, and I decided to just go out into the forest and do some exploration. Actually, I'm heading to a small lake where I have never been to before, just to check it out, to get it on my mind map, so to say. I have only passed by before, and I just want to see if there is anything of interest there. And right now a woodpecker is picking on a tree over here. Okay, so I have now packed up and on my way home, and I'm really glad that I got out today and just did something. I don't really care if I got any good photos or anything, just the process of just getting out and do some creative things and just be in nature. That's a good thing for me. And did I find anything special here at this lake? No, I don't know. It's quite small and I didn't find any nice photography subjects or anything. But thank you for watching, and right now I am planning to do like a looking back 2020 video, so I think after this one that will be my next video. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.